Assalamu alaikum. I hope you will be fine, guys. Today I'm adding my Fiverr gig on Fiverr. So the basic problem I'm facing here is because I'm putting dot on this. So when I am completing my profile, I'm facing the issue. So I think if I am facing this issue, so I will make video to clear this issue of many other people, so they can easily upload your gigs, which they are uploading or they are using first time Fiverr. So here I'm selecting my category. First of all, I have add my gig title. I will intelligent in video editing 24 hours. So secondly, I will add here the category of my expertise. So I'm expert in video editing, so I'm adding video editing. In the next category I will add the something about my expertise in video editing. So further I will select family and traveling videos related to my video project, and then I will add the search tags here. Here are the 5 tags required for any Fiverr gig. So I'm adding my video tags here. So here I have added my 5 tags on this search tags. Then I'm the next step I will do it here is to save and continue. But the issue which I am facing is title can contain letters and number only. This is the main issue which I am facing here. This it says that title can contain letter and numbers only, but I am adding here this dot. Because of this dot I cannot upload my title. So when I will remove this dot, so you guys can see if when I remove this dot I can upload my gig titles. So here is the basic problem which I am facing. So I think if I will make a video and clear and share this idea with others, so other cannot face this issue. So I'm then next step I will save and continue my profile, so you can check it out by there. I have done my profile and I'm coming to the next scope and pricing. So thank you so much for seeing my video.